Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Mohitra and today I will going to call with Maris and talking
Hey, what's shaking?
what is water and why is it important for life?
A big question. Basically, it's two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom hanging out together. But for us, it's the ultimate solvent. It carries nutrients into your cells and flushes out the junk. You know what I'm saying? Without it, your whole system just hits a wall. Ever think about how wild it is that we're basically just fancy bags of water?
Why do people call water and source of life?
You're talking about the whole cycle, right? Like how it gets into the soil and then feeds everything else. Pretty wild how a little bit of rain turns into the fuel for an entire forest. You think about how plants actually pull that stuff up, or more about where the water originates?
How much care of the human body
Wait,
is made of water?
I'm a little lost here. You went from soil water to offering something to a blue man in a plate of water, taking a sharp turn into a story or a riddle.
Why do people need water to grow?
Sharp turn into a water. I'm following, but I've got no idea where we're landing. You diving into a deep topic, or are we just freestyle chatting now?
How do animals deep on water?
Oh, you mean how they handle the pressure way down there? It's actually kind of sci-fi. Some animals have bodies that are basically liquid or compressible, so they don't get crushed. Others just have these wild biological tricks to keep their cells from collapsing. You want to hear about the ones that live in the actual trenches?
Why is clean drinking water important?
Wait, cream drinking water? I'm not sure I follow. You mean like putting cream in water, or are you talking about something else entirely?
No, why is clean drinking water important?
I'm still a bit tripped up on the cream part. Are you talking about some kind of specific animal or maybe a product? Help me out here so I'm not just guessing.
Where does most of the water on Earth come from?
That's a deep cut. Most of the theories point to a mix of things. Some think it was delivered by icy comets and asteroids slamming into Earth billions of years ago. Others say it was already here, trapped in the minerals of the planet's crust, and then released as steam when things got volatile. It's basically con- cosmic delivery service. You think we were just a dry rock until the space ice showed up?
How has water helped in human life and boiled communicate?
That's a heavy way to put it. I mean, in a literal sense, water is the original network. It connects every single living thing on the planet. The rain that falls in one place feeds a river that travels for miles to keep a city alive. It's like the world's oldest communication system, moving nutrients and life from one spot to another. Plus, humans have always built their entire civilizations around water. Every major city is basically just a giant conversation happening because there was a river nearby. You think about how it connects people, or something more spiritual?
Where did means an infinite civilization develop near a river?
I think I get where you're going. You're saying water basically gave us a map, right? Like it dictated where people could actually survive and settle, pushing civilization into specific corners of the world. It's like the water decided where the party was going to be.
How has water helped human life and boiled communicate?
That's a dark twist. You're talking about what happens when the water vanishes, right? Like when a place dries up and everything just crashes. It's a total communication breakdown because when the survival stuff goes, the social stuff usually follows. You thinking about a specific place that went through that, or just the idea of it?
How is water connected to different culture?
It's basically woven into everything. Think about it. Most religions use water for purification, like baptism or ritual washing. And you've got cultures that view the ocean as this mysterious, powerful deity, and others that see a local river as the literal soul of their city. It's not just a drink, it's a symbol of rebirth, cleansing, and sometimes even a boundary between worlds. You into the mythology side of it or more about how it shapes the way people live?
Can you name some common word to face related to water?
Oh, for sure. Got your basics like tide or current, which feel like they have their own mood, you know. And you have words like aquifer for the hidden stuff underground or torrent when things get a bit chaotic. You know, even fluid is one we use all the time, not just for water, but for people move or talk. You looking for the scientific terms or more of those words that just feel like water?
What is one important lesson you learned about water?
If I had to pick one, it's definitely the power of persistence. Um, like water is the softest thing there is, but it can literally carve through a mountain if it just keeps at it. Doesn't fight the rock, it just flows around it and eventually wins by not simply not stopping. It's kind of a dope metaphor for life, right? Just keeping that flow going until you break through. You a fan of that kind of mindset, or are you more of a hit it hard all at once type of person?